Ever wondered who actually built the system that moves data before analysts even see it? Like, where does the data even come from? Because data does not just magically appear on dashboards. Someone built the pipeline behind the scenes. That someone is a data engineer. Welcome back to UnleashHer Tech Path, the series where we help women start one in-demand tech skill every month using free resources and a clear 30 days plan. Last month we talked about data analysis, but this month we are going deeper into the backbone of every data team, data engineering. So what does a data engineer actually do? Think of it like this. A data analyst tells stories with data, while a data engineer builds the road the data travels on. So they collect data, they clean it, they store it, and they move it, making sure that the data is ready for analysis. So basically, no pipeline, no dashboard, no engineer, no insight. They are basically the foundation. I really love this part because it's in demand globally, it pays really well, and it is less saturated when compared to front-end and design. It's perfect if you enjoy logic, organizing things, solving system problems, or simply working behind the scenes. If you're the type that likes structure and how things work, you're probably going to love being a data engineer. The best part is, it's totally beginner friendly. Don't let the name scare you. Quick tip before we start learning. This is where many people get overwhelmed. This month, ignore big data buzzwords, complicated tools, and complex data architecture. You do not need Spark, Kafka, or 10 certificates to get started. Just start simple. For your first 30 days, focus on just 4 things. The first one is Python, the second one is SQL, the third one is databases, and the fourth one is ETL pipeline. Python is used to process and move data, so you're going to need to learn the basics like variable, loops, and hidden files. You're going to be writing more advanced queries than a data analyst, so you're going to need to learn things like join, aggregation, grouping, and subqueries. Understand how data is stored. Tables, rows, relationships. This is super important. This is the heart of data engineering. ETL means extract, transform, load. You're basically moving data from one place to another. That's your core job. For how to get started, we have put together 3 resources that's going to help you in your journey. The first on our list is Data Talks Data Engineering Zone Camp. It's a free data engineering course that teaches you how to build production-grade data pipeline from start to finish. It is ideal for beginners or people who are looking to switch career, preparing for a junior data engineering role. Free Codecamp Python course. This complete Python course is suitable for beginners with or without previous programming knowledge, easy to follow along. All you need is your web browser. We are going to be using SQL Bold or Mode SQL tutorial for your database manipulation skills. And lastly, YouTube. We all know that YouTube has a vast database of knowledge. You're going to find videos on ETL data processing, building pipelines, and other data engineering videos. You can check out Seattle Data Guide. You're going to find links to access these resources in the video description. I recommend open just one of these resources at a time so you don't get overwhelmed. Once you're done with one, then you move to the next. Here is exactly how to structure your month. Week 1, Python basics. Week 2, SQL and databases. Week 3, ETL concepts and pipeline. Week 4. Build a mini project. Your project could be collect data from CSV or API, clean it with Python, load it into a database, and query it with SQL. If you can do this, congratulations, you have built your first data pipeline, and that is real data engineering. By the end of this learning month, you'll have Python confidence, a strong SQL skill, understanding of pipeline, and a project for your portfolio, and that is already more than a beginner. After this, you can apply for junior data role or continue into cloud or DevOps while you actively continue to level up your data engineering skills and build to gain experience. This is how you level up fast in tech. If this has helped you in any way, like this video so that more women can find it. Download the 30 days plan in the video description, and I'll see you next month on UnleashHer Tech Facts. Remember, you're not behind, you're building. Let's keep going.